Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy NOSANA. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar of it, you will have to type coinmarketcap.com. Once done, you will be landed on CoinMarketCap where you can use this search bar in the top, and you simply need to type NOSANA over here. Once done, you are going to see the overview page of NOSANA where you just have to scroll down, and here you are going to see its contract address. So you need to tap on it in order to copy this contract address. After that, you just have to minimize your browser, and then you need to open your Phantom wallet. Now after opening your Phantom wallet, you need to make sure that you have some Solana in your account in order to get NOSANA coin. Now once you have it, you need to tap on this browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and over here you need to tap on Jupiter. Once done, you just have to wait for some time until you are redirected on jup.ag page where you just have to first connect your Phantom wallet with it. For that, you are going to see a connect button in the top right hand corner of the screen where you can see my Phantom wallet icon. So you need to tap on connect, and then you need to connect your Phantom wallet with Jupiter. After connecting it, you will have to click on this drop arrow button, and then you will have to select Solana. Then in the to receive section, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and then in the search bar, you will have to paste the address that we have just copied, and then you are going to see NOSANA over here. So you need to tap on NOSANA. Then you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to purchase NOSANA, and then it will show you the conversion. Then you are going to see the swap button in the bottom, so you need to tap on swap. After that, it will redirect you on the next page where you need to review all the details that you have mentioned previously, and then you just have to confirm your swap. Now once you have done that, you are going to see your NOSANA coin in your Phantom wallet's home page. But if you are not able to find it over here, then you will have to tap on manage token list, and in the search bar you will have to search for NOSANA. Now once you have found NOSANA, you are going to see a toggle button right next to it. So you just have to tap on that toggle button, and then NOSANA token will be on the home page, and if you tap on it, you are going to see the amount of it. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.